Baby, I'm always going to find something to do upon doing whatever I need to be doing. If I come down here and I'm supposed to be making lunch and I open the cabinet and something's out of place, trust and believe I'm going to put that together before I, get my life together. I did a whole circle just now. I'm still getting my life together. Don't judge me. Just because I know what I'm supposed to be doing don't mean I want to do it and I'm in the mood. But hey, I make it happen. I knew exactly what I was fixing for lunch today, but I still got to get it together, okay? Okay, now I'm trying to make sure that there's enough meat in here because I don't feel like opening another pack. You see, I'm still getting it together. And I got to make sure I put enough bail on here because, baby, these kids are honest. They're going to tell you when something is dry. And they're going to tell you if they don't like something. So, okay, if you don't like honesty, don't ask my kids nothing. And one of them have her nerve to have a distinctive tongue and can tell you, you didn't cook this the same. Boy, if you don't get out my face. I love that for him, but not with me. Food is not just food with my kids. If they come home and say, Mama, that food was bussin', I know it was good. Like, you doing a good job. Yeah, you doing a good job. I put mayo on both sides because, again, they will tell you they don't like no dry sandwiches. I sent my son in the closet to get some sandwich bags, and he say he didn't see in them all of a sudden. I see them. I know you do. I know they're in there. Look sometimes. These fur babies know they're not supposed to be in the kitchen, but why will a dog risk it all for a piece of lettuce that fell on the floor? Just why? I don't know what this youngin' is doing, but he is taking his sweet time to do it. You hear me? Oh, he is filling up his water bottle. Somewhere along here, I am waking up. I am coming alive, okay? I'm almost there. If you're going to do that, put his ass back. Leave him alone. Ooh. See, in my head, I was sending them to school with some pickled okra because they love pickled okra. But I forgot I cut up a watermelon I need to get rid of. So, yes, this is the snack of choice today, watermelon. And we will be utilizing the insulated snack pouches by yours truly. And let me make sure I fill up these bags because they came home one day and said, Mom, my bag wasn't full. They were appreciative, but they let me know the bag wasn't full. I sighed at them and said, Every day I tell myself, the next day I will pre-line up these bags and have everything just ready to grab. And no, that does not happen. I don't know why. But here we go again, looking under the counter for lunch boxes and pouches. Speaking of pouches, we just put in a whole restock, okay? So go get yours if you don't have one yet. Your kiddos will love you. They're available in 5 colors, okay? 5 colors. The ice packs are not included, but I got mine off of Amazon too. I remember the first time I sent them to school so they can try it out, and I gave them yogurt. And my son came back home, and he was like, Mom, that yogurt was still cold. The excitement in his voice, baby. Yes, I am here for it. Baby, the little things count too, okay? You know how you flip that pillow over because you hot and it's cooler than the other side of the pillow? Them kids don't want no hot applesauce. For me, it be the excitement that they show when something is still cold that was supposed to be cold. Especially if they're eating after recess. Treat your kids right, less chance of ending up in a nursing home. You can also freeze juice boxes and Capri Suns and they'll still be cold and ready to drink by lunchtime. Some other snacks that I've used in these pouches, just to name a few, are Greek yogurt. I've put carrots, celery, apples, oranges. I've made parfaits, salads. I could go on, but you get the point. And just to think, these pouches came about by making a simple choice to eat healthier snacks and wanting my kiddos to have the same options when they took their lunch to school. And it always makes me smile when they come home with their stories when they're eating lunch and their friends ask them about the pouches. And they go on to explain and show off the product that they help bring to life. And baby, when it comes to a countertop, yes, I'm going to wipe it. I'm going to wipe it before I use it, while I'm using it, after I use it, I'm just going to wipe it. I'm even going to wipe the areas that I wasn't working in. It's just a habit. I'm going to wipe it. And here's where I'm wiping and I realized that I did not cut up those bell peppers that came out the garden because if I grow it, I'm not going to let it go to waste. So I'm going to cut up these bell peppers and put them in the freezer. Because if you know anything about gardening, sweat and tears went out there, okay? Okay, this is how I get my seeds out. Then I remembered I had this damn chopper up here that I spent my money on. But I did realize something within using this chopper. With all the work and everything using the chopper, you might as well cut it up on your own. Or he's waiting for them babies to come back to school and they just live out the door. After using the chopper, you still got a mess to clean up after you do that, so you might as well do it by hand. I'm just saying, it makes sense. I guess if you cooking for Thanksgiving, Christmas, something like that, and you know, for family, but what? Well, I don't got friends and family that I be around like that, so no, I'd probably never really use this. When you think about it, it was actually more work. Oh, yeah, baby, I'm gonna wipe them countertops again. Why? Because I'm a mother.